This is a classic-looking problem, but the solution is pure reasoning, not memory. Pause the video now and try this problem for 2 minutes. Pause the video now and try this problem for 2 minutes. Let us carefully observe the structure. Key observations. All variables are positive. Expression is cyclic, not symmetric. Numerator is linear. Denominator is sum of the other two variables. This immediately suggests Cauchy, Schwarz, or normalization, or known inequality bounds. We will proceed systematically, not by guessing. Recall the inequality. Rewrite each term. Apply Cauchy-Schwarz. Now simplify the denominator. Hence, recall the well-known inequality. Substitute into previous result. S is greater than or equal to 3/2. Equality in Cauchy-Schwarz occurs when this implies A equals B equals C. Let A equals B equals C equals 1. Then S equals 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 3/2. So the bound is tight. Minimum value of S equals 3/2, achieved when A equals B equals C. This is the thinking level expected in JEE Advanced and Olympiads. Next problem will be harder. No direct Cauchy, deeper transformation required.